Hi there. In this lecture, we'll be talking about Python loop control. Basically, three keywords: the break statement, the continue statement, and the pass statement. Alright, let's get started. Open up your IDLE. Let me close this. Alright. And expand. Great. So the first statement we'll be using is the break statement. Now we've used this before, but I'm just going to go over this one more time. The break statement in Python terminates the current loop, like we've seen, and resumes execution at the next statement, just like the traditional break found in C. So if we had a for loop for I in range 0, 5, I want to print I, and then if I is equal to 2, I break. Simple. So it goes up till 2, and then as soon as it hits the 2, it breaks, and the whole for loop is done. Finito. But let's say if I is equal to 2, we wanted to skip it, but then we wanted the loop to continue. So the print, it should print out 0, 1, skip the 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what? This is where the continue statement comes into play. The continue statement in Python returns the control to the beginning of the while loop. The continue statement rejects all the remaining statements in the current iteration of the loop and moves the control back to the top. For example, let's go back. Let's just copy this code down. So hit enter. Awesome. Now if I is equal to 2, right, continue. What would that do? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now, the reason why I didn't skip 2 in this case is because where our continue is. So the value has already been printed and continue is just making it go back to the top. So let's do this for I in range. Copy this code down. Delete the extra 4. Now we need to put the print I, Command X, hit enter, else, Command V. Alright, now this should work. 0, 1, 3, 4. Awesome. So let me explain what the continue statement does. Let's say we were in a loop and we were running through our code and we didn't want one occurrence to happen. So we're printing the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and we don't want to see the 2. So we say here, if I is equal to 2, continue. All continue does is it will not run this part of the code. Instead, the loop will go to the next iteration. So now I would have become 3 and then it would print 3. The whole 2 printing will be skipped. Awesome. Last but not least, we're going to be learning the pass statement. The pass statement in Python is used when a statement is required syntactically, but you do not want any command or code to be executed. Basically, pass is a null operator. So if we type pass, nothing happens. Now let's say we were creating a function, def hello name, right? And what we wanted to do is we wanted to write some code, but we weren't sure what to write. So, and we needed to get on to some other code. So we can put the parameter pass. All pass does it says that some code may be coming here soon, but for now, don't do anything. So click enter and nothing happens. Pass is a null value and nothing happens when it's executed. The pass is also useful in places where code will eventually go but has not yet written. For example, here. Great. So let's quickly recap what we've learned. We learned about the 3 statements you can use in loops: break, continue, and pass. Break completely cuts off the loop and executes the next code. Continue will restart the loop at the next iteration, so it won't do the code below, so it wouldn't have done the else or print. And pass is just a null value that does not do anything, but it's sort of like something will come here soon, but nothing's here now. Awesome. All right. Now, if you didn't understand what the def, hello name, all that stuff was, don't worry. It's okay. In the following lectures, when we talk about functions, we'll get to it. So don't be super frightened about this def stuff. Don't worry. We'll come to it soon. So, yep. Alright, that's it for now. See you in the next lecture.